Hi everyone, it's Jen from Jen's Junk Journal Gems. I wanted to share a video with you today of the very first junk journal I did for myself a year ago. It's nature-based theme. One of my mentors for junk journals is Jibid Neri. I've got her on my playlists on if you want to check it out on my channel. Her channel is there. As well as Izzy B Creations. She's also inspired me and this journal as well. So, without further ado, I've got the front cover and the back cover, the charms. Most of these charms I get from places on Etsy. Little owl. Whoops. A little owl head. And a nest. And there's a Tim Holtz clasp here. All right, I'm just going to prop this up just a little bit. Help me. Okay. All right, so the inside cover, I got these buttons from a place on Etsy as well. I will try and find the link for you. I ordered them last year, and I'm not sure whether or not it's still in my Etsy purchase history. But there's 6 different buttons here, all with different woodland animals. Now, I've already started to write in this. Edith Holden. I've got Little House on the Prairie, because that's where I live, on 10 acres in Muskoka, Ontario, surrounded by bush. I've got these tabs here, or tags, I guess I should say. I mean, I've already written on it. I like to do like inspirational quotes. Walk your truth and honor it. I use it for journaling and quotes and inspirations. Now, I do have a video of the books that I got, most, if not all, of the images that you're seeing and the tags. So just refer, there's so many, so I would recommend that you just refer to the video that I have on my channel regarding the Edith Holden books. There's a whole stack of them there that I go through. I did some stamping. And there's a tag in there. Dried flowers. Another tag. Oops. Oh, I missed this charm in the beginning. It's a little wee deer. And what I do with my junk journal is I just go through it and see where I want to write. I don't do it in a successive order, or a succession, I should say. Ferns from around my property. I used for this picture, this magazine picture, it was really glossy, and I have, now where, oh, here it is, nice and handy. I use Mod Podge Matte Clear Acrylic Sealer. I just spray the image a couple of times before I sew or glue it in, and it takes the shininess off of the page, because a lot of magazines are shiny. There's another tag in there. Another dried pressed flower from my garden. That's the first signature. And this is the second one. I bought myself a sewing machine, and I actually have been having fun, you know, learning how to sew. I guess my mother would be proud. There's a piece of birch bark that a squirrel had taken off. There's my cosmos from the garden last summer. I love that that flower. I wish they grew wild. Oh, I think I missed this little guy here. Just a little wee fox. Now I have a hard time with this plant name, Nasterium, I think it's called. Anyhow, I grew it last year, and I snipped off some of the leaves from it and pressed them, and they reminded me of lily pads, so I added a frog picture there. This is part of a nest that I found. Now this idea here, this window and the embroidery around it, I believe that came from Nick the Booksmith. I'm sorry, I can't remember which one, Nick the Booksmith or Izzy B. I'm not sure, but I thought it was a really neat idea, so I did that in my journal as well. There's another pocket. I collect feathers as they are dropped. I consider them little gifts. So this was floating around in my portable pool. It's from a downy woodpecker, so I included that in here. Again, I've got a video on how to incorporate dried flowers and leaves. Couple of tags here. I'm not going to take all the tags out. You get the idea. This I used little magnets for, and I ordered them, I think, from Amazon. And what I found is that I mean, I was looking for small ones, obviously. It's not quite strong enough, and so what I'm going to have to do is replace that with the little mini Velcros. Embrace perfection. Oh, I think my thing is sliding a little bit. There we go. Tim Holtz embroidery thread. I love this. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. And it shows the acorns with the oak tree. I just love that. Love it. Another tag. We've got lots of partridge in the bush where I live. Little chippy. Some washi tape. And this I ordered from Etsy as well. I think I got half a yard or something, so I've still got some left. These little stickers, woodland stickers, come in a pack. I bought those on Etsy. Etsy and Amazon are really my two major sources. Because I'm so isolated where I live, I don't have very many retail places to shop from, so I do a lot of shopping online. My Black-Eyed Susan and one of my Cosmos. This is a really big tag that I got from the Edith Holden. Another big gorgeous tag. And that is it. So I hope you've enjoyed my walkthrough. It's my favorite journal so far that I've made, but I do love all things nature. So if you like what you've seen, please hit the subscribe button. It lets me know that you're interested in what I'm doing here. And I will see you next video. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.